Welcome back to the Cash Current. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of swing trading for beginners. Whether you're new to trading or looking to refine your skills, this video is for you. What is swing trading? First things first, what is swing trading? Swing trading is a style of trading that aims to capture short to medium-term gains in a stock or any financial instrument over a period of a few days to several weeks. Unlike day trading, which involves multiple trades in a single day, swing trading involves holding positions for a longer duration. The basics you need to know. Before we dive into strategies, let's cover the basics you'll need to get started. Understanding market trends. Learn to identify and follow trends. This is crucial for swing trading. Technical analysis. Use charts and indicators to make informed decisions. Risk management. Always have a plan to manage your risks and protect your capital. Choosing the right broker. Ensure you have a reliable platform for executing your trades. Key strategies for swing trading. Now, let's talk strategies. Here are some popular swing trading strategies. Breakout trading. Identify stocks that are breaking out of a defined range. Reversal trading. Look for stocks that show signs of reversing from a trend. Moving average crossover. Use moving averages to spot potential entry and exit points. Tools and indicators. To be successful in swing trading, you'll need the right tools. Here are some essential indicators. Moving averages. Simple moving average, SMA, and exponential moving average, EMA. Relative strength index, RSI, measures the speed and change of price movements. MACD, moving average convergence divergence, helps identify potential buy and sell signals. Planning your trades. A successful swing trader always has a plan. Here's a simple trading plan structure. Entry point. Determine when you'll enter a trade. Stop loss. Set a stop loss to limit potential losses. Target price. Decide on a target price to take profits. Review and adjust. Regularly review your trades and adjust your strategy as needed. That's it for today's video on swing trading for beginners. Remember, swing trading takes practice and discipline, but with the right approach, you can become successful. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. Happy trading and see you in the next video.